In this video, you'll learn how to turn on or off the game dashboard on your Google Pixel phone. This feature enhances your gaming experience by providing useful tools and shortcuts during gameplay. We'll start by opening the Settings app on your Google Pixel device. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once the Settings menu is open, scroll down until you see the option labeled Google. Tap on it to access additional features related to your Google account. Inside the Google menu, look for either Settings for Apps or Gaming options. The Game Dashboard feature is typically located within this section. Before proceeding, ensure that your device supports this feature, as availability may vary depending on your device model and software version. After locating the gaming options, find the Game Dashboard entry, tap on it to open the feature controls. Within this interface, you will see various options that enhance your gaming experience. Take a moment to review the available settings, as understanding them will help you decide whether to enable or disable the dashboard. To turn on or off the game dashboard, look for the toggle switch on the screen. Toggling this switch enables or disables the feature. When the game dashboard is turned on, it will appear during gameplay, providing you with helpful controls. Conversely, if you turn it off, the overlay will not be visible while playing games. After adjusting the setting, it's advisable to test it by opening a game on your device to see if the changes take effect. You can adjust this setting at any time based on your preferences, allowing you to customize your gaming experience according to your needs. If you enjoy using the game dashboard, keep it enabled. If not, feel free to turn it off whenever you wish. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.